Sripada Rajam Sharanyam Prapade, Chapter 7, The Description of Universal Spheres. Result of Parayana of Chapter 7 is for gaining scholarship. The assurance of Sripada to his devotees. As far as my matter was concerned, you could not give me even the cheap Thotakura. If you offered me meals, you could have earned merit equivalent to feeding lakhs of Brahmins. You lost a lot of fortune. You should depend upon scriptures when a debate arises as to what is dharma and what is adharma. However, when a doubt arises whether the injunctions of scriptures are to be implemented or not, the decision of pure-hearted people is it to be regarded as an injunction of scriptures. Whatever they say is Vedic truth, and their word is acceptable to the tenets of righteousness. Even if they want to pronounce an unrighteous decree, the goddess of justice would not allow them to digress into an evil path and compel them to deliver a correct judgment. Your scriptures tell that it is sin to harm others. The battle that was fought in the presence of Lord Sri Krishna is famous as the righteous battle. The place where the battle between Kauravas and Pandavas took place had become famous as Dharmakshetra. Religious sacrifices gives punya, but when the Supreme Lord Shiva was not invited, the sacrifice performed by Daksha ultimately became a big battle. The head of Daksha was cut and fell. The head of a goat was fixed for him. While there is aggravation of bile, the physician would treat the patient with lemon and usuri, acid myrobalan. When a part of the body is putrefied, the surgeon would sever it with a knife and treat it. I am also the same. Features of deities and devils also are within me. I behave like a lunatic, a ghost, and also as a devil. Nevertheless, love towards all beings would be overflowing within me. My conduct would be in tune with your nature, the good and bad results of your actions. I will not leave the hands of devotees who rendered total surrender to me. I will drag my devotees residing in distant lands forcibly to my kshetra. You should not discuss the origin of sages and rivers. Has not the Supreme Shakti taken birth as Kanya Parmeshwari in the Vyasa caste? There are accomplished Siddhas and Vyasa sages not only for Brahmin, Kshatriya and Vyasa caste, but low caste Sudras also are eligible for Vedic Upanayanam if they observe spiritual discipline and regulations. The third eye should open up by performance of Upanayanam. The inner consciousness should get purified and mind should concentrate on the knowledge of Supreme. Your mind is completely absorbed in the knowledge of vegetables. Do you think that Brahman is a commodity to be procured in the market? A Brahmin in this life may be born as a Parya in the next birth and a Parya in this birth and may be born as a Brahmin in the next birth. Please note that the Supra Brahma transcends time and space, caste and religion. God likes inner feelings and not external appearances. God works according to your feelings. When matters relating to knowledge of Brahma come up, I am a Brahmin when holding court, inquiring the welfare of devotees and granting them favors. I am a Kshatriya. For every living being, a wage would be fixed according to his actions of virtue or sin. The wages of every person are with me. When I weigh and measure for calculating what is due to every individual, I am a Vyasa. As I serve people by attracting unto my body the troubles and pains of my devotees, I am a Sudra. When I wash out the sins of living creatures, I am a washerman. When I burn the dead ashes and grant them noble births, I am a keeper of burial ground. Now decide and tell me to which caste I belong.